It's actually a colleague of mine in my office. He's having a small quiz for both of you. So we'll just see. In fact, the first one is for you and how much you know Akshay Kumar. Simple questions, and then there's something different for you. Sir. Yeah. What is Akshay Kumar's real name?
Rajiv Bhatia.
All right. Name the film in which Akshay Kumar was called Guru Gulab Khatri.
Sorry, pass.
You working with that producer? He made his earlier film. What is before? हाँ? उससे पहले? उससे पहले? नहीं उससे बाद.
आवारा पागल दीवाना.
Oh, sorry. Okay, pass.
You must have seen some posters in his office and all. Yeah.
Yes.
Right. In fact, you must watch Avara Pagal Divana. It's hilarious, and I think Guru Gulab Khatri is outstanding. Seriously. What is the name of Akshay Kumar's children?
I only know what Dimple ma'am calls your son.
What?
Bhatia.
Little Bhatia. He knows my son by Little Bhatia.
Yeah.
Arav and Nitara.
Arav. Yes.
Nitara
yeah,
is,
you have tattoos.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nitara is the right pronunciation, sir?
Nitara.
Nitara. Okay.
Yeah, Nitara.
Name the film in which Akshay says, "पैसों के लिए मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ."
Listen, I don't even know my own dialogue.
You just now said
You just now said that actually.
Hera Feri.
Hera Feri. Which is the city where Akshay Kumar worked as a chef and studied martial arts?
Hong Kong.
Just come a little bit lower.
Singapore.
More.
Malaysia.
Thoda.
Bangkok.
Super.
Okay.
I think you guys need to do a few more films
But
together.
we don't talk about all this.
Right.
Sorry.
But
Yeah, we don't Google each other.
actually,
Sorry.
actually,
इसका
this
बर्थडे
is,
क्या है? ये इसका सनसाइन क्या है?
the Bangkok bit and everything is like, this
Sorry,
is the folklore of India actually. Everyone
I know
knows.
that. I know that story,
Right.
but I always imagined them in Hong Kong.
No,
Sorry.
because of your singing, I think
This guy
we'll
is
just let it
always
go.
with you?
Yeah.
Cameraman?
Yeah.
Huh? What's his birthday?
It's 12th February.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
I'm damn good at birthdays, sir. तो आप मेरी birthdays पे नहीं कर सकते.
What's his wife's name?
He's unmarried.
Oh,
He's saying yes, I'm married.
He's saying I just don't want to get married.
sorry. Now I will go and Google everything about Akshay.
No problem. Okay, sir, this is about, for you it's I think very, very easy. This is, how well do you know Gabbar of Sholay? Okay, if you can complete these few things. I think that it's very, very simple for you. We are slightly partial to Mr. Kumar. ये हाथ ...
हमको दे दे ठाकुर.
जो डर गया ...
सो मर गया.
समझो मर गया.
समझो मर गया.
या क्या समझ कर आए थे ...
ठाकुर खुश होगा, शाबाशी देगा. क्यों?
कि सरदार बहुत खुश होगा.
हाँ सरदार बहुत खुश होगा.
ठाकुर इज
हाँ ठाकुर तो.
जी सर. जिस दिन मैं
I just remembered something.
जिस दिन मैं भाग निकला ...
खूब पछताओगे ठाकुर.
बहुत पछताओगे ठाकुर. नो प्रॉब्लम सर. अरे ओ सांबा ... कितना ...
कितने आदमी थे?
कितना इनाम रखे है सरकार हम पर?
कितने आदमी थे?
आई सर कितना इनाम?
अरे ओ सांबा.
या
कितना इनाम रखे सरकार हम पर?
जी गब्बर के ताप से तुम्हें एक ही आदमी बचा सकता है, खुद गब्बर. जब तक तेरे पैर चलेंगे ...
मेरे सांस चलेगी. मेरी नहीं, तुम्हारी सांस.
इसकी सांस चलेगी.
इसकी सांस चलेगी.
Fantastic, not bad at all, sir.
No, that was awesome.
It was fantastic.
Yeah.
It was fantastic. But I was expecting a bit more actually in terms of the exact dialogues. Actually.
Exact dialogue. Then you should have told me if I was
right. Considering he's doing Gabbar, so I'm saying entirely from that perspective. But it is fantastic. Yeah, and entirely fantastic.
Have you seen Sindhi Gabbar?
Sindhi Gabbar, no, I haven't.
Gabbar Sindhi में भी बनी है. They have dubbed it.
अच्छा, Sholay they have dubbed. And there was a Gabbar I think in South.
No, they have made Sholay.
Dabang.
Sholay ऐसा कैमरा, छोटा कैमरा लेके
अच्छा.
Sholay बनाई है. So somebody is Jay Thakur.
Malegaon के Sholay is there as well, I believe.
No.
Okay.
This is homemade video.
अच्छा, okay.